How to watch F1 on Apple TV. We're embarking on a whole new era for F1 and not just on track. Apple TV is F1's broadcasting partner in the US for 2026, replacing ESPN and ABC, but impacting on F1 TV Pro too. Bahrain preseason testing is a dry run for the new setup, and the integration hasn't been entirely seamless. It's worth noting, however, that some confusion has stemmed from coverage of its first test being limited to final hour of each day. If you've got questions about watch F1 Apple TV, we have answers. So, in the US, F1 is now exclusive to Apple TV, which has effectively absorbed F1 TV Pro. Select races and all practice seasons will be shown for free on Apple TV. An Apple TV subscription costs $12.99 per month or $99 per year after a 7-day free trial. However, it pays to shop around. For instance, you'll get Apple TV free for 3 months when you buy an eligible iPad, iPhone, Apple TV, or Mac device. Apple One bundles Apple TV with Apple Music, Apple Arcade, Apple Fitness Plus, Apple News Plus, and 50 gig of iCloud storage for $19.95 per month after a month free trial. The Apple's Music student subscription includes Apple TV Plus and costs $6 per month for a limited time. You can also bundle Apple TV with Peacock TV for $14.99 per month separately, and they'd cost around $22.99 per month. Now, to watch Apple TV when abroad, Apple TV operates in nearly every country on the planet, but the US is the only market in which the service holds the F1 rights. What this means is that if you're a paying customer who lives in the US but travels abroad, you may find yourself unable to watch F1 on your Apple TV plan. So the easiest way to connect Apple TV to a VPN is by running NordVPN on your smartphone or computer and using it as a hotspot. However, you can now also run NordVPN directly on a range of Apple TV devices by downloading them on the App Store. So that is basically how you can watch F1 on Apple TV.